As a person who runs a business that creates courses and provides live events, I'm a little bit biased here. But when should you try to do something yourself? And when should you get a paid program in an effort to try to get there faster? And avoid kind of the trial and error. When should you do that? Well, I think a lot of it comes down to knowing yourself. In my own life, my own business, I would have gotten nowhere if it weren't for doing paid courses, paid programs, because I was not very good at learning these sorts of things myself. I read a lot of books, I listen to a lot of audio, I will watch instructional videos, and still, I have found that in order to get kind of the skin in the game, the investment for me, I have had to usually buy a program, maybe with some group coaching or something, to kind of get through some of the tougher spots. Does that mean everyone should buy a course? No, absolutely not. If you are the kind of person who can read a book or watch a free webinar and then do the steps in there and get really good at that practice from those free or inexpensive materials, then do it. Do it all the way. It doesn't have to be part of a paid course for you to be successful. You can do a lot of this on your own if that's your personality type, if that's the way you learn. And that's all I got to say about that.